Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this session, we are going to discuss how to identify mubtada and khabar in a nominal sentence when that nominal sentence contains a badal. Let's look at the rules. From the previous sessions, we have learned that a mudaf ilayhi and na'at can never be a mubtada and khabar. And what we are learning now is that a badal can never be a mubtada and khabar either. And that is what we are going to practice today in the examples for this session. Al-Kitabu taht al-Maktabi, the first example, a nominal sentence because it starts with a noun. As we do with the nominal sentences, we always start with identifying the mubtada in it, which we know is the first marfu noun in the sentence. In this case, that is al-Kitabu, so we mark it as mubtada. Then we have tahta, which is a zarful makan. Before we mark it as or look at it as a khabar, let's look at the noun after it, which is al-maktabi, which is mudaf ilayhi because it's coming after a zarf. Okay, so we know that when a noun is mudaf ilayhi, it cannot be mubtada or khabar, so we put a cross above it. Now the only option we have now left is tahta, so this is zarf. Okay, shibhu jumla, okay, khabar. Okay, and the book is under the table. All right, now let's introduce badal. What we are doing is we are bringing in an ismul ishara zalika into the sentence that we saw in the first example. Zalik al-kitabu taht al-maktabi. So now zalika we know is an ismul ishara. It is mabni, and when it comes at the beginning of a sentence, it is in its normal state of being marfu. And so when we are looking for a mubtada, which is the first marfu noun, zalika is that first marfu noun in this case. So zalika is a mubtada. Al-kitabu, now we know from the rules of badal that if you have a noun which is prefixed with the definite article al, and it is and it comes after an ismul ishara, zalika in this case, then that noun is badal. Okay, and we just learned that a badal cannot be mubtada and khabar, so we put an X above it. And then we have tahta, which is a zarf, and after tahta we have al-maktabi, which is mudaf ilayhi. A noun coming after a zarf is always mudaf ilayhi, and that we know is also in the same category of nouns which cannot be khabar or mubtada in a nominal sentence. So we now have only one option left to make it as khabar, which is tahta. So same thing as the previous one, tahta is a zarf, it's shibhu jumla, okay, and khabar. Okay, ذلك الكتاب تحت المكتب, that book is under the table. Alright, the last example we have here now is في هذه الغرفة نافذة جميلة. First we find the mubtada, the first marfu noun is nafizatun, so that is our mubtada. Now let's look for khabar. Fi is a harfu jar, hazihi is ismul ishara, which is mabni, but because it's coming after harfu jar fi, it is in a state of being majroor. So let's just say it is majroor for now. And then al-ghurfati is a badal because it's a noun with al coming after ismul ishara, and now that we know it is badal, it cannot be mubtada and khabar. And the last noun we have now left is jamilatun, which we know is a na'at to nafizatun, and we know that na'at cannot be mubtada and khabar either. So the only noun or the only part which is a candidate for being a khabar is fi hazihi, which we know is there's a type of khabar which is jar majroor. So this is jar wa majroor shibhu jumla shibhu jumlatin khabar. And now because khabar came first, we will say it is khabar muqaddam, and mubtada came after khabar, so we will say it is mubtada muakhar. Okay, so we saw in this case again that knowing the rule that badal cannot be mubtada or khabar helped us identify the correct mubtada and khabar. So just remember these simple rules: a mudaf ilayhi in naat and badal can never be mubtada or khabar in a nominal sentence. And that's really all that I wanted to cover on this topic. Thank you very much for watching.